Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed at Walmart today. I was able to get all of these items for free and made right around $1 buying it all. I honestly thought it was a little bit slower week this week, but I was able to get some new products, so that's always exciting. I also was able to find a few things on clearance, so I will tell you about that as well. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you are not already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so quick check-in on Monday. I told you that I was going to be trying harder to get back into exercise and eating healthy. So I will say that I have done really well on the exercise so far this week. I ran just short of 3 miles both Monday and Tuesday, and I'm hoping to do the same again this evening. So this is me being accountable to you and sticking with my goal. So thank you for holding me accountable. I appreciate it. Also, side note, I spent like 5 minutes trying to come up with a funny intro, and I've realized that maybe I'm just not funny. So thanks for sticking with me even when I can't make you laugh. I really appreciate that. All right, so let's jump into the deals. Where do I want to start? Let's start with this one. Okay, so I posted this on my Instagram last night because I found a deal that had just popped up for the Lotrimin daily prevention items. Now, Swagbucks is awesome because they have high value rebates. And right now, when you buy 2 Lotrimin daily prevention products, they're gonna give you $14 back, which is awesome. These products are priced at $7.96 each. So when you buy 2, you're gonna pay $15.92. You will get $14 back on Swagbucks, making these $1.92 or just 96 cents each. So if you have incredibly stinky feet, that's a great deal. It says it destroys odor. So good luck with that. For 96 cents, it seems like a great product to try. Now, if you are new to Swagbucks, use my referral link in the description box below because you'll also get an additional $3 back, and that's just fun. All right, second deal. Oh, tip on that though. When you do a Swagbucks deal, I always recommend doing it on its own receipt. For some reason, when the receipt gets too long with Swagbucks, it can't find the offer as easily as when I just purchased the item that I'm getting the rebate for on that one receipt. So when I checked out today, I checked out with these items first on one receipt, and then I checked out for the remainder of the items. Just a quick tip, you might find it's a little bit easier for you if you do it that way. Okay, next deal on the Skintment Bloom Razor. These are priced at $7.97. There is a $4 off coupon that I will link for you in the Google document that I have provided. So that means you would pay $3.97, but Ibotta has a $3 rebate, making this just 97 cents total. So that's a really great deal on that. Don't forget that with Ibotta, there's typically bonuses. So right now there is a mid-week moneymaker bonus. The one I have is for $5 back when I redeem any 15 offers. So I didn't quite get there on this trip. I could have, maybe I should have, but I didn't knock that out quite yet. But once I get those 15 offers, I will get an additional $5 back. So check your Ibotta app to see what bonuses you might have. If you don't have the Ibotta app yet, you definitely want to grab it. Use my referral link in the Google document or the video description box below to grab some additional bonuses. All right, the other Skintment deal I grabbed was on the Skintment Disposables. These are priced at $5.97. There is a $3 coupon that I will link for you in that printable document. So you print that out, you use it, you'll pay $2.97, and then you get $2 back on Ibotta, making it just 97 cents total. All right, another awesome deal that I got from my girl Crystal with Couponing Crystal is on these Degree massage soaps, because everyone needs a soap that massages. There is one offer for the Degree men, and there's one offer for the Degree, I don't know if it's women or just not men. It just says Degree Maximum Recovery. They're both massage bars. They're both priced at $2.97. They both have a $1 rebate on Ibotta. So I bought this one for $2.97. I got $1 back on Ibotta. I also submitted my receipt to coupons.com, the coupons.com app, and I got $1 back there, making it just 97 cents. Same thing with this one over here for the men's. I got $1 back on Ibotta, $1 back on coupons.com, but then I also got a 50-cent bonus from Ibotta for buying both of them. So my total cost came to $1.44 or just 72 cents each. Now, this is the weird thing though. When I looked at the bonus, when I was in the store, it said $2. Like it showed a dollar sign and 2, but it said in words, get 50 cents. So I thought that was kind of confusing, that it said $2 and then it said get 50 cents. I did in fact get 50 cents, which made me pay the 72 cents each. Not a bad price to try a new product. The Poise Pads, okay? It's not a Walmart haul without some Poise Pads. This is actually a different kind. These are the 48 count. They are $4.68. I had a $2 printable coupon that I used. Again, I will link that for you in the Google document. So I paid $2.68, but I got $2 back on Fetch Rewards, and I got $1.50 back on Ibotta, making it free and an 82-cent moneymaker. Now, a couple of things. If you don't have Fetch Rewards yet, definitely grab it using my referral code. There's some awesome offers on Fetch Rewards right now. Second thing I want to tell you, double check your Ibotta app and see what your rebate is. Everyone seems to be a little bit different. Some people only got 50 cents. I got lucky with mine being a full $1.50, which made it a moneymaker for me. So double check your Ibotta app on that rebate for sure. Okay, couple of clearance items that I found when I was at the store that made for some fun moneymakers. This Gray Away, as you can see, had a sticker on it for $1. I scanned this sucker into my Ibotta app to see if there was a rebate for it. Sure enough, $2.50 back, making it free and a $1.50 moneymaker. Next thing I saw, and I had printed a coupon for Revlon because it was a high value coupon. $4 off any Revlon face product. I printed it thinking I was going to use them over at CVS, but I knew I had it in my little envelope that I keep in my purse, and I saw this Revlon foundation priced at $1. Now, I honestly didn't know, will this $4 coupon readjust itself down, or is it going to give me the full $4? Well, I bought one, paid $1, scanned that $4 coupon, $4 came off my complete total, making this a $3 moneymaker. So that was pretty cool. So if you don't have those coupons yet, again, I will link that for you in the printable document. That way you can print it and keep it with you in case you run across some awesome clearance deals. All right, Fairlife. This one's been around for a while, but I went ahead and did it again. This one's priced at $2.68. It's the Fairlife Creamer. Obviously, it's found with the other creamer or the milk in your store, but there are two different rebates. You can get the $1.50 on Ibotta, as well as $1.50 on Checkout 51. The Checkout 51 app had a limit of 2, so I grabbed 2 of them, making these both free and a 32-cent moneymaker each. So that was pretty awesome. Another freebie this week is on these Charles and Alice fruit probiotics. Okay, a couple of people told me they were having a hard time finding this. So I find it near the yogurt multi-packs in my store. That's where I found mine. They're priced at $1.24. Ibotta's giving $1.24 back, and you can do it twice. So I got 2 completely free. So that's a great deal. When I first saw it, I thought maybe it would be in the baby section because it's like one of those kids squeezy pouch things, but it wasn't. It was near the yogurt. Other freebies that I want to tell you about that you'll probably see in your app, but I didn't have them at my store. The Skippy peanut butter, the squeezy pack, Ibotta says it's free after rebate. So they say it costs $2.47. You'll get $2.47 back. I just couldn't grab it because my store did not have it. Same thing with this Progresso soup topper. Says it's free after rebate. Cost of $3, getting $3 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. Again, my store didn't carry it. Lastly, and I'm super bummed my store didn't have this one, is on the Klondike cones. Okay, so the Klondike cones, there is a Fetch Rewards offer for $4.75 back, and I think I saw that I could do that 5 times. I would assume that product probably only costs $4.75. I can't imagine it being much more than that, but there's not a store that carries it near me. So that's just mean of Fetch Rewards to give me an offer and on ice cream, and then I'm not able to go buy it. But if you can find it at your store, check your Fetch Rewards app, see if you can snag those hopefully for free. Okay, couple more offers. The Multi-Meal cereal. There is a deal on Shopkick right now for 400 kicks back when you buy any Multi-Meal cereal. If you can find these little bags, they're priced at $1. So you pay $1, you get 400 kicks back on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $1.60, making it free and a 60-cent moneymaker. And with Shopkick, oftentimes, once you have redeemed the offer and they give you your kicks, it will come back. So I'm hoping that one will come back because that's a great item to be able to donate to the food bank. If you don't have the Shopkick app yet, grab it using my referral code. You will get an additional 250 kicks back when you use it and submit your first receipt. Last deal, and I don't know, this might be my favorite deal that I did. It's on these super Danable fruit smoothies. Again, it is a Shopkick offer. So the original price is $2.98. That is the regular price of the item, but Shopkick is giving back 675 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.70, making these just 28 cents for a 6-pack. This is not something we've tried before, so I'm curious if my son will like them. If so, there was actually one rebate for the strawberry kind, one rebate for the blueberry kind. They were both the $2.70 back. So if these are a go, I will probably end up buying the blueberry ones as well. Someone asked me once about Shopkick. How do I determine kicks to dollars? I divide by 250. So 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So if this is 675 kicks, I divide by 250 to come up with the fact that I will be getting $2.70 back. All right. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. If you haven't had a chance to check out my Walgreens or my CVS video, you definitely want to do that. I'm trying to decide, for some reason, my CVS video isn't getting watched very much. So I'm trying to decide, do I keep putting them out there or should I stop doing that one and focus on doing some different kinds of videos? I do make my decisions based on what I see you all doing. So if you're watching them, you're liking them, you're commenting, you seem interested, I will keep doing them. If not, I will start to reconsider how I want to create my content for you guys. Again, hope y'all have a fantastic week and see you soon. Bye.